Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful, professional-grade diagnostic scanner that can handle advanced vehicle diagnostics, coding, and resets, then today's video is for you. The FOXWELL NT716 is an Android-based professional diagnostic scanner designed to deliver dealer-level functions at a much more affordable price. Meet the FOXWELL NT716, a smart diagnostic tool built for technicians, workshops, and serious car enthusiasts, enhanced with 6 to 9 reset services for improved performance, including oil reset, EPB, TPS, SAS, TPMS, ABS bleeding, BRT, DPF, and injector. A new bi-directional control feature has been added, enabling you to check the functionality of various vehicle modules. Supports all 10 OBD2 functions, covering essential vehicle diagnostics to help make your driving safer. It can read and clear codes for the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems thoroughly, while displaying live sensor data with clear graphs for easy monitoring. Touch the VIN button on the main screen of this code reader and scan tool to expedite the scan process. It will automatically detect and display the vehicle information. Note: for some models that do not support the auto VIN function, you can manually enter the VIN. It supports updates anytime, anywhere via Wi-Fi at no extra cost. All diagnostic results can be compiled into a report, which can be shared conveniently through email, Bluetooth, or printer, making it easy to review and verify data. Widely covers 100+ brands of US, Europe, and Asia. It works on most OBD2 and OBD2 protocol after 1996 vehicles, including the latest 2023 to 2024 models. Please provide your vehicle to us for judgment. FOXWELL scanner is perfect for novice, mid-level DIYer mechanic, individual car owners, DIYer, auto repair shop, automotive engineer, home mechanic, automotive student. If you need powerful diagnostics without paying dealer prices, this tool is a solid choice. Thanks for watching.